Welcome. If you're noticing that your Pinterest app is running a bit slow or acting up on your Android device, clearing the app cache can be a quick and effective fix. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to clear the Pinterest app cache on Android so you can get back to pinning without any hiccups. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and head over to the Settings app. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all your installed apps. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Pinterest. When you spot the Pinterest app, tap on it. This will open up the app info page, where you'll see several options for managing the app. Next, look for the option that says Storage. Tap on Storage to access more details about how much space Pinterest is using on your device. Here, you'll see two buttons. One for clearing data and one for clearing cache. Be sure to tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that the app has stored, without affecting your saved pins or account information. After you tap Clear Cache, you'll notice the cache size drops to 0, confirming that the process is complete. You don't need to restart your phone or reinstall the app. Just open Pinterest again and you should notice it running more smoothly. Clearing the cache is a safe and easy way to resolve minor glitches, speed up the app, and free up some storage space on your device. If you ever run into issues with Pinterest or any other app, remember that clearing the cache is often the first step to try. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.